walking off of this final job. So this is out in Remsenburg. I figured we'd give you a little walkthrough of the work that was done. All of these cabinets here were knotty pine. With the help of Goodfella, they sent us some pretty cool stuff. So it helped us out a lot in hiding the knots. If you know anything about knotty pine, it bleeds through paint and primer, and it's just nasty. So we got these things really, really flat. Everything's put back together. The inside, we maintained the knotty pine look. So it's just a nice clean line on the doors where the paint is cut. So those are done. This side is the dry bar, the wine cooler, ice maker, all of that. Same thing. Inside was left the knotty pine. So all of the dishes. And then the big kitchen. So we had a color change on the island. This was all redone in this grayish, bluish gray. So that's all redone. This here was actually a nook in this corner, if you looked at some of our previous videos. So these doors, we built this cabinet custom to match the existing doors and drawers. So that was all done, put in, nice and clean. All of the doors, drawers have been adjusted, fixed, whatever chips and dings, everything is nice and clean. This here, Phil's most proud of this, even though it doesn't look like much. That was really wrecked because it's right next to the sink that they use the most. So that little piece was really mangled up pretty good. All of this was redone. The filler strips here in the middle, it was like a filler strip from here to here, about 2.5 inches wide, 2 inches wide, and it was all over the place. So we reattached that, did our best to get it pretty seamless. You still see a little bit, which you're gonna, there's wood movement. So that's all completely done. Up top, we redid the crown molding, which is really nice. The previous crown molding had those big chunky things sticking off the side. It wasn't mitered properly. So in the shop, we milled this new piece, installed it. So it's a really nice, clean look. Over here, we replaced the glass in those doors. Redid the paint on all of these cabinets. This is fairly simple over here. And then over here for the laundry room, we hung these just the other day. Some bifold doors. They previously had a little dog gate here, but we hung these French door style. And they just open up. And very closely, look at the clearance. Right past the washer and dryer. So they have full access to this area. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything's all cleaned up. The cleaning lady actually came in and did a really nice job of putting things back. She re-oiled the soapstone countertops. Everything is really sharp looking. So we have to say goodbye to this job. All right, stay safe out there, guys.